Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you this strawberry cream center crispy crunchies. These are the sweets, chocolates, toffees, whatever you can say, and the brand is Viele and it's in strawberry flavor. The color also specified and there's a pic of it and this amazing pic of the chocolate is there. It costed me around $2.8 and from the house of Chico. They have written like this. So let's not waste much time and open it and see how it actually is. So here you go. These are the amazing sweets. So let's, wow, yummy. Isn't it looking beautiful? Beautiful. So let's open one and see how it is. I need to get my knife, I believe. So let's cut it with the help of this is how it looks like. As you can see in pic, it is little different. They showed some crunches in it and the inside color is really dark, but in origin it is little different, but that's not an issue. Let's taste it how it is. So guys, the pic they showed that little crunches, it is actually there. I hope if I could show you. See, this piece came, so it is there. The flavor of strawberry is not enhancing much. Little is there, but not that much. But it's fine. It's not too sweet. The little flavor of strawberry with chocolate is merging properly, I would say. And people who do not like too much of sweetness in chocolates, they can definitely go for this. It's very nice and very tasty. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, I'm gonna eat it. Bye bye.